What are the best ways to make people read your script?
Well, you could put a gun to their head.
Okay. Maybe a softer approach.
Yeah, softer approach. Well, you have to ask who, what are we talking about? Industry people or friends and
people
family?
that could actually, well, no,
Yeah.
people that could actually have something done with it or get it to an appropriate person to have it made.
Well, before that happens, like we were discussing before, it had better be in a professional level of writing and also presentation, execution. And so when you get one chance, like I would say, you may have a friend at a company that runs the company, right? And you go, well, I have an in there. Okay, that's great. But when you're going to play that hand of sending that script over, you know, it better be ready. You know, you can't play that hand. You should be be very disciplined and be patient, because sometimes people get excited and they want to play all the hands, and it wasn't the script, you know. And then now it's like, I'm your friend, but I also have a business, you know what I mean? So I just can't hire you. I just can't buy your movie. And it's going to be more difficult to go back there again. So you don't know if somebody's going to like your script. You have to like it, and the way that you make them like it is show that you're passionate about what you're writing, and that you've done all those things, like proofreading, which sounds simplistic, but it's important. I mean, it's offensive when I'm going to take the time to read, you open it up and you're like, oh, and you want to be a writer? You can't, there's spell check, there's things like that. Scripts are all about the tiny details, and those are looked over. And so what attitude is the person reading going to have of you, about being serious? Serious meaning you want to be a professional.